Hey guys, so it is Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 4 top favorite oblique exercises. So the obliques are the muscles on the sides of your stomach. They're responsible for getting the tight waist and for really toning up the core. So they're super important. Also, they create extreme strength to your back and everything. The obliques are super important. So right now the whole trendy body is, the tiny waist, that whole thing. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. Okay, yes, some people are just born with that hourglass, really tight waist, bigger hips, that whole thing. I personally am not like that. However, I do work on getting my obliques as tight and strong and toned as possible because it really helps create that look. Do them daily and I promise, after a couple weeks you'll see a huge difference in your core. I hope that you try these out for yourselves, especially paired with a clean diet, and also remember everyone's bodies are beautiful. Look to be as strong and healthy as possible, not to look like somebody else. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into this.
The first exercise are oblique side plank twists. So as you can see, you're going to get into a side plank, and then the goal is to get your elbows to touch, and you want all the movement to be coming from your core. So suck your belly button in towards your spine and really focus on twisting and moving your body from the core rather than your shoulders and such. And also you want to make sure that you fully stack your shoulders at the top, so try to not let your hips twist as much as possible. Really focus on that core. Now these next ones are kind of funny, but they work so well. So you're going to go on your knees, and the goal is to just suck your belly button in towards your spine as much as possible, and then lean over as far as possible and pull up with your obliques. Now we're going to grab a dumbbell. I had 5 pounds for this one, and these are just side plank lowers with dumbbells. So you're going to go to a side plank, and then you're just going to lower down, tap your hips to the ground, and then go up as fast as possible. Again, suck the belly button in towards your spine, have your body fully stacked, and these are great. Now the next one are these oblique mountain climbers. So you're going to go into a plank, and then the goal is to get your knee to your shoulder. So I like to kind of rock my shoulder back because I feel like it really engages my obliques even more, and I just really focus on bringing the knee up and bringing the shoulder back with my stomach rather than any other muscles.
And yeah guys, so those are the 4 exercises. I really hope that you try them out for yourselves. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment any questions, video suggestions, anything down below. I love you guys and I will see you soon. Oh, sorry, I keep moving my hair. It keeps falling on my face.